How to make money online? Is it possible? The digital era is here to stay. Technology has transformed several industries and generated many avenues for earning online. Just creating a website and a blog is not the only option to make money online anymore. The rise of social media and other digital platforms has changed the scenario forever. Making money online has several facets today, including SEO, email marketing, social media and paid advertising. When everything done right, you can boost your income to the phenomenal heights. Despite its huge potential, only a very small fraction of people of the world's population are utilizing these options of earning online. There are many ways to earn money online. Here are a few options you might consider. Start a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or selling digital or physical products. Sell products or services through an online marketplace, such as Etsy or eBay. Offer freelance services, such as writing, editing, or graphic design, on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Participate in paid online surveys or focus groups. Become an affiliate marketer by promoting products and earning a commission on sales. Buy and sell domain names or websites. Offer tutoring or teaching services online. Create and sell online courses or ebooks. It's important to do your research and consider which option will be the most viable and sustainable for you. Thanks for watching. If you like the information, kindly like and share the video. Subscribe the channel and support us for making detailed videos on related topics.